Every fabric has unique properties. Different weaves, knits, structures and fibres, and unique care requirements. At Fisher & Paykel, we understand that complete fabric care is a delicate balance of water, temperature, detergent and movement. SmartDrive technology takes the guesswork out of washing, with 80 years of laundry innovation programmed into every wash cycle, delivering precise control, intuitively sensing and adjusting to each load. Gentle, quiet and efficient. Removing dirt and reducing garment wear through controlled changes in drum speed and direction. Washing for just the right amount of time, rinsing with just the right amount of water, spinning at the ideal speed for efficient drying. Love your laundry with unique wash cycles tailored to care for all your clothes. Complete fabric care. Fisher & Paykel.